Yeah, I think now it should work. All right, there was some sort of, yeah, perfect. That's cool. All right, let's check out what's happening. Good, it's making new higher highs and reaching this target zone. Um, and this could be a very strong reversal point, but yeah, it's fantastic. No, Kumar, it's not, nothing is confirmed. See, today is a different thing. Okay, it gave a gap up and then retraced and then it filled the gap and then it went high. But then, is it uptrend confirmation? No, because this is a strong reversal point, right? Like we have discussed already. This is a reversal zone. Go back and then check. This is a support zone. This, when it tried to enter the first time, it got reversed. Then it was tested in the past multiple times. So this was a support zone and resistance zone together. When the market is coming from downside, it will act as resistance. When it is coming from top, it will act as support. So right now it is coming from down, so this should act as a resistance. And unless it is cleared, we don't have any sort of uptrend confirmation yet. So we need to really wait and see. Positionally, don't go aggressive. Okay, this is not a correct one. Awesome, bro. I'm just seeing that yeah, the chat is all like open, and first you are the first one to comment here. Something went wrong, and my chat, my internet all like broke, so bit dicey today. But yeah, all good. Now back. Mm, yes, I am still having my positions running. Correct. See, there could be a very strong moves happening, and the last, particularly the last, 30 minutes on a Friday is absolute crazy. You will see everything happening. All sort of possibilities are open. Nobody can say uh, like there's no ultimatum. Like this is what is the final. It can make another quick 400 points move up, or it can just drag down very crazy. I'm just looking at the possibilities of doing and writing adjustments. I'm just checking that alone. I am not interested in any buying. Just seeing what should be the right way to adjust it. I'm seeing certain possibilities. Just give me a while. So it is very tempting for me to close one of the positions and initiate, but I have just in the morning I said I wanted to take that, uh, why I am taking bit of time. I will explain. I have initiated a straddle, right, and one of the straddle is giving me very good profit, and another one is giving me a very big loss. Now I am very much tempted to close that call leg and then initiate a new call, right? But then I really don't want to do that. Instead, I wanted to adjust it. I want to see if I can do the adjustment using writing itself. So I don't want to play this regular game. I want to try something new, and just it's just that dilemma is going on. So I'm a bit looking at that. I think it will be better for me to wait, because if there is a strong reversal from here, then I think I can initiate fresh writing, then closing a position, then buying again. It's going to be. I have done that game already, so I'm more interested in doing something new. hmm C premiums are not eroding at all, like it's standing like rock. But the PE premiums are like disappearing into thin air. Hmm. Okay, let's check. My god, there's a massive breakout happening. Even it is about to enter into the zone, so let's see if it's going to clear or not. See, at this point, Kumar, we cannot really make any predictions. I am seeing that it should reverse, but then since Adani's news is also like firing up, uh, we might have to give it some time to understand. Over the weekend, we have to collect different pieces of information to make complete picture. Right now, whether can it reverse from here? The only thing I can look at the chart and say is that it has uh, climbed up very much from the low. Plus, it's trading near the reversal zone, so there is a great chances for it to reverse. Same with the story on Nifty. Nifty is also trading in the zone, right in the zone. So there is a high probability for reversals. Definitely, nobody can discount that. We have to wait and watch. Of course, it's very difficult to suggest anything here. Let me go to. Okay, all right. I think I should now focus on getting some sort of weekend writings. Just one moment. This is much safer. I'm just writing it down, and so there is a lot of momentum on the upside, but at the same time, we can expect strong resistance in another 50 points, let's say 60 points. Then this should be a very interesting watch because how the Monday market would respond is something we have to wait and see. It's entering into a very sensitive zone. If it clears, the momentum can shift back to buy, bullish. But if it falls from there, it's going to be a massive pullback. So we will have to see how it plays out. Right now, Right, it's taking a lot of deep consolidation around this level. Nothing much happening over here. Maybe the last 5 minutes will be very interesting because everybody will be creating a weekend position and try to do certain writings will be there. A lot of writings will be there. Yes, resistance level. Nifty is in trading in the resistance level. Bank Nifty is just playing below the resistance level. So they are definitely creating a lot of positions around this level. It'll be fun to see what's going to happen. And 41,500, right? Okay, I get that. Now, okay, let's do this. Good. I am seeing market is doing a very good positioning at 41,500. Very important positions are being created. Let's clear this, and then maybe I will also do some sort of things here. This is done. Initiating as position, and let's see. So I'm just checking few things. So what happens on Monday if I do this? I need to have some idea. So let's check how Bank Nifty looks like in coming days. I think it's going to be a little bit range bound, because I was thinking they would be keeping around. Okay, let me go here and explain, that will be better. So I was thinking that it will play just above these levels and consolidate here for some time, and so this was the level it came and then tested, and then I thought it will be consolidating around this level and then finally give a breakout on either side. But to my surprise, it already reached this zone. Now it's a very important decision making. If it breaches this and then it continues up, I think the next level of resistance will be this 42,200. Once that's cut, I am very sure it's going to be an upside move. Maybe Adani news and many other things might trigger it and then take it higher. But we have to see how this particular zone is going to be respected on Monday. If it is returning, and then if it is trying this one more time, then it's done. Then it's completely downside, right? But this is a very surprise move. I didn't expect it to reach here. Honestly speaking, I didn't. I was not even considering that it should reach here by today itself. But the market has surprised definitely. Now we got to wait and see where this finish would be. All right. Okay. Last 3 minutes, I need to initiate certain positions. Just give me some time. I'll come back. Oh, I see. Okay. All right. I need to do some adjustments. What do I do here? Wait a second. My God, no, not this. See. Done. So, at what price did we write? Good. All right. So it's almost about to be over, and very interesting position I have created. I'm happy with the adjustments that I have done. Wow. Is this for real? My God. So much of premium jump is happening. I can't even believe. Um, okay, anyway, let it sort down. Something is going on. Some sort of aggressive positioning. Good close. Good close it is. I think this is absolutely brilliant. Um, these sort of surprises will remind us that market is really supreme. What happened with my position was that I have initiated certain strangles and for writing, and that strangles which was like deep OTM was like doubled the writing value, which was, I wrote something at 60 rupees. Suddenly it became like 110, 120 like that. So I had to exit all that because that's not really good for my long term, right? Once if there is a gap up opening on Monday, then I'll be losing big money. So what I thought was like, let me just square off all that and accept the toss. So I lost somewhere around 20K in that writing because at many levels I have written, right? So when is this mentorship program? Right now it's on Monday, starting on Monday. So it will be held privately on a Zoom call. Okay, so you can join in if you are interested. You can join in. Check out my profile. I would rather also share the details here. One moment. Um, maybe I'm just going to copy the link and put it here. So what you can do is just so date and time is that it is typical market hour that we start. 9 o'clock means about 8:45, 8:50 we can start. Just set you some context, and then we will step into the day, and then we will be learning a lot. Let the market do its work. We will do our own learning. right? And then as you as things are, as we learn a new concept, I'll do a live demonstration of how that concept works in reality. And if you may have some questions, some doubts on that particular subject, I will answer that. Then I introduce you new themes and new strategies, how to create trade setup, market psychology. So many things are there. It will be more flexible because I have the content ready with me. But at what order should we go depends on the needs of the audience. Sometimes, people say that I already know what is this Greeks, I don't need more information on that. Rather, I would like to focus on indicators, which indicator would be better, so on. So, basis the requirements of the class, we will be customizing it. It should start at morning 8:50, 9 o'clock, and typically through the day, like as we sit now, we can sit and do. If you're busy, if you're working somewhere, then we will do it differently. How we do it is, suppose you got only 3 hours, I will not be doing any live demonstration. I'll teach all the concepts for the 3 hours, and whatever you need to know, I will be downloading all those information onto you. And as you receive that, and then you also test, and then probably you have to sign off, you will sign off. Then as you come back the next day, we will try to apply all the learnings of the previous day into this one, so that our learning is also spaced out, and we are also testing it in live market. I want both to be done. So that's what the plan is, Arvind. Is that clear? If you may have some questions, feel free to ask. I will share all the details. Let me just end the stream in TradingView. Okay, guys, thanks a lot. I am signing off here in TradingView. Need to give some updates, so we'll catch up again on Monday. Most likely, I will update whether I'll be streaming on Monday or not, depending upon the people registering. So I will keep you posted. Take care, and see you all soon. So I have ended the stream. I am not supposed to say certain things in TradingView. That's the reason I am now not going to share the details. See, there are a lot of things. Maybe I can go ahead and then share my screen itself. That will give you some good idea, right? We are a small community, but growing strong. A lot of people are joining in our groups. I am going to bring in that. One moment. Oh, I need to open this, right? Where is it? Right. I think you can see it now here, right? This is the program. We are we are doing from 6th to 10th. From 6th to 10th, we are planning to do. It is going to be a Zoom session. These are the things we are going to cover. Options buying, options writing, candlesticks, patterns, identifying which is a trading zone, which is not a trading zone, how to build a winning mindset, and then I will give you some 5 strategies with adjustment ideas, and then live market demonstrations will be there. Then identifying the trade setup and the indicators. These are the plans for coming program. So I'm sure you will be deeply benefited more than what you are paying. Definitely, these are the concepts. Each one is a program by themselves, and in the market, how people work. They go on creating independent programs for each of these topics, and here we are clubbing all together for 5 days. Um, Definitely, it's one of the best deals you can get. So think about it, and then if you're interested, please do GPay to my number, take a screenshot, post it on my WhatsApp, and then I will add it to the group. There is a separate group I would like to maintain for all the mentorship members, and in which we will interact on a daily basis. So if at all you have any questions, feel free to ask now. So anyone has any questions? See, any discount, already I'm not a person who really wants to charge something extraordinary and then give a discount and all these things. Look at when you sit with me, you will understand that uh, it's worth every penny. Okay, it's worth every penny that you pay for. um, Discounts, of course, if the number of participants were large enough, I could give. Since I am starting off small, please don't want to entertain discounts, because really at the start it's not the discounts that's going to really be mattering much. What I have decided is that to be reasonable and then stay with it. That's the reason I'm not offering any discount at this point, Arvind ji. Please don't mind. But you know that as a beginner, if you start, a lot of people say that you should give discounts, but then I don't believe in that. It is like, if qualitatively even one person is there, that's fine with me. Don't want to really encourage a lot of discount. Discount is a very bad habit for I have seen from my training experience. That's why I'm not going with that. Um, so, Shivaranjani, yes, thank you very much. It's really amazing that you're also joining in on a daily basis now. Happy to see you there. Um, so, anyway, let me quickly tell you why I don't give discounts. I am a trainer. For 6 years, I was running my own business. First 2 years, I was struggling to get even one single opportunity as a corporate trainer. And then there were like a lot of people where the market price is at 10,000 rupees, 12,000 rupees for a 1 day program. You go and deliver that. There were trainers who were so desperate to get, they were doing for 1,500 rupees, and it killed my business. Like they also got killed with their future. They have been labeled as very cheap trainers, and they are remaining that way. And then it killed my business. Then I took a stand. Even I will never do a training program. That's okay with me. But if I am doing, it should worth my time. Otherwise, I'm not going to do it. That is one stand. I did it in my personal level, and that really was looked upon by big companies. When companies like HCL, Adani, and IBM that I worked with, I was not bending on my price, because I know I am a qualitative person and I should respect myself. If I don't respect, then why should somebody who's offering me a job or anything would respect, right? So this is my lesson. That's the reason I'm not offering. Please, I hope you all understand that. Um, but I promise there will be no compromise on the quality. Yeah. I don't really want to make it like a brand promotion or something like that. Since you people, since Arvind ji has asked it, I just brought it on the screen. Otherwise, I have just put it at the base, like register for the second mentorship program. I didn't even bring this up. Okay. If people are interested, they will turn around. That's my belief. So yeah, I'm closing this part. um, All right. Thanks a lot, everyone. Sean, I'm very, very happy if you can join it sometime in future. Really, that will be nice. And Any person, I would. I'm also planning something like this. um, like there will be one community learning for all the mentorship program group members. I wanted to create and then add a group where certain specific things are being discussed, which is from my own study, from my own research, whatever learnings are there. Those things will be shared in that group. uh, Probably that is in the future, but for now I want to really have one community where we all support each other and then learn from each other. So it's going to be really good. Hope sometime you all be part of the group. That's all I can wish for. But as it's a fantastic day. We all had some nice fun. um, I will be up online for about a minute in case somebody has any questions or any comments, any feedback. Most welcome to do that. Then we will call it a day. Yeah, you are welcome, Arvindji. I think if that is all, then let's call it a day and have a fantastic weekend, everyone. See you all on Monday. Have fun and talk to you all soon. Right? Bye, guys.